was a nurse being pushed out into the stairwell.
Lawmakers in Concord wrestling with issues of emergency room violence. On Friday, state reps on the House Criminal Justice Committee gave bipartisan approval to a Senate-passed bill to make assaulting ER personnel who are acting in the line of duty a felony.
We have a hard enough time recruiting doctors and nurses. We're going to continue to have a worse time the more we leave them hanging out to dry where they're injured in a place that they should be going to help people.
Some Democrats voted against the legislation. They plan to bring forward a floor amendment to carve out exceptions, ensuring certain people could not be charged under the new, tougher law.
Somebody who has a dementia diagnosis, who has intellectual or developmental disabilities, which affect their ability to communicate. Somebody who's having a mental health crisis, who has a mental health diagnosis, they would be arrested.
Other reps are skeptical those people would face criminal charges in the first place.
I have 25 years in healthcare, and a lot of that was actually as a dementia specialist. And I can assure that nobody's calling the police because someone's grandma with dementia kicked them, because she was scared. I mean, nobody's doing that.
Lawmakers who work in healthcare say the hypothetical concerns about dementia patients are being used in an effort to defeat the bill, and they contend a similar tactic was used when these same legal protections were brought forward for paramedics.
And if you think that EMS, nurses, doctors, or any of those people are going to press charges against somebody that has dementia or mental health issues, you are sadly mistaken.
In Concord, Adam Sexton, WMUR News 9.